Hey, it's Steve here with It's a Hardtail Life, and I hear you're here. I see you're here for a bike build montage, so let's get to it. So that's the bike build in a nutshell. If you want to see me take it out for a shakedown ride with my friend Ken, just click right there. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing and follow along on my mountain biking adventures. Thanks for watching and see you in the trails.